Are you struggling with Gradle sync issues in your Android project? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when integrating Firebase into their apps. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up Firebase and things just don't work as expected. Many developers have been in your shoes, especially when transitioning from one service to another. Let's look at a specific case. One user recently encountered an error stating, "Could not get unknown property library variants for object of type com.android.build.gradle.library extension." This happened while trying to sync Gradle after setting up Firebase for their Android app. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this error mean? It usually indicates a mismatch in your Gradle configuration or an issue with the library setup. We'll break down the potential causes and solutions step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help prevent these issues in the future. To begin resolving the issue with the unknown library variants property, the user should first ensure that all Gradle dependencies are compatible. This means updating the Firebase libraries to their latest versions. Next, the user should check the Gradle plugin version. It's important to use a compatible version of the Android Gradle plugin with the version of Android Studio being used. After updating the dependencies in Gradle plugin, the user should sync the project with Gradle files. This can be done by clicking on the Sync Now button that appears in Android Studio. If the error persists, the user should consider cleaning the project. This can help resolve any lingering issues from previous builds. Finally, if the problem continues, the user may need to review the library module's build.gradle file for any misconfigurations. Ensuring that the Apply plugin line is correctly set to com.android.library is crucial. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android was released back in 2008? Just like technology, troubleshooting has come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests resolving the Gradle sync issue by updating the Gradle and Google Services versions. They recommend using Gradle version 3.0 and Google Services version 3.1.1. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly update your Android Studio and Gradle versions. Keeping everything up to date can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Gradle sync issue and get back to developing your app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.